Hello, Advent Day 19, here we are. And another favourite, we've got our doorstops, our sheepskin doorstops for you for this happy Tuesday. £25 each, 4 colours, madam. We've got, I don't know whether, I think they call this blush. It is a very, very gentle, soft peach colour. Really, really nice in neutral interiors. You can imagine it looking very swish. Then there's the classic ivory, always a winner. Just makes a real statement against the door. Why sheepskin doorstops? Well, mainly because they're a good weight, but also because they've got that padding. So if you've got glass doors or wooden doors that are vintage, or where you don't want the wood being damaged or tender, you know, it's got the resistance, but it's also got the bounce. So that's why sheepskin door stoppers are always popular. Where was I? I was on smoke grey, and then finally the mushroom taupe colour. And as I say, normally 60 quid. For Advent, we're doing them for £25 each. Mix and match, statements throughout your rooms. Really, they are, and as I always say, you can always use them for weight training if you get bored of just sitting there eating mince pies and drinking cups of tea and the things that you should really be doing. Right, I think that's it. Have a super duper Tuesday, and I shall see you tomorrow, folks.